Welcome back, guys. Sorry for the no uploads for the last couple months. I've been busy with work and the whole virus and everything else. I've been so busy. So, I got a little bit of a tool haul right here. Let's get into it. First things first, I got a nice ratchet. It's a Husky 15-inch 3/8 non-flex head. 100 position. I paid. What did I pay for this? I think I paid $15 for a nice big long ratchet. It's good quality, good build to it. There it is. So as you can see, it's 3/8 drive. Very fine tooth. No grease points, but I can take it apart because it has the snap ring. That's why I like Husky, because it has the snap ring. I can take the internals out, grease them, oil them, do what I need to do. That's that. Next are the sockets I got. I got a wide, not a wide range, but a good bit of sockets. As you guys know, I work on street sweepers, so this is mainly for like hydraulics and rear brooms. I went and picked up 5/32 hex bit, 5/32 3/8 drive, 1/4-inch 3/8 drive. It's nicely engraved Husky 1/4-inch. And then part number is 621-789 for the 5/32. Part number for the 1/4-inch is 623-460. 1/4-inch. And then the 3/16 I also got. Part number is 622-33/6. And then the favorite rear broom sockets. Got two of those. They are 8mm hex bits. Part number 564-555. 8mm hex bit. Got two of those. They wear down a lot. Alright, that's it for Home Depot. Now on to Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight, I picked up some of these mag rails, not mag rails. They are magnetic rails. Where's the ratchet at? You can see they're magnetic rails. Magnet there, and magnet up. Yeah. Right there's a magnet, and right there's a magnet. This is 3/8. I got two of them for all the sockets, all the specialty sockets, like rear broom sockets, hydraulic sockets. And I got a 1/2 inch as well, just so I can take the 1/2 inch off, like so. They just pull off, and I can put it on the 3/8. Usually 1/2 inch 3/8. So that's that. Last but not least, I picked up, I have no shallow impacts, 1/2 inch, so I picked up an SA8 set. Next week I am going to pick up the metric set. This goes from a 7/16 up to 1.25 inches. I won't use this for anything lower than 11/16, but I have the sockets for it. Let's see here, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 11/16, 3/4, 1.16, 1.125, then 5/8, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16 inch, 1.25 inch. So that rounds it up, folks. Thank you again, and see you next time.